a peaceful, ancient tribal village, there lived three handsome brothers who never quarreled. One day, while working in the field, the eldest brother asked, "What do you wish for in life?" He wished for a beautiful wife, a fat chicken that laid many eggs, and a buffalo that gave milk every day. The second brother echoed the same wish. But when it was the youngest brother's turn, he hesitated. Then he spoke, "I wish to marry a woman whose beauty shines like the moon, to sit on a golden chair, eat from a golden platter at a golden table." His brothers laughed and beat him for dreaming too big. Hurt, the youngest brother returned home and shared his pain with his mother. She comforted him, and the next morning he packed his things and set out on a journey to fulfill his dreams. He met a man carrying a golden bucket used for keeping hot charcoal. With charm and cleverness, he bartered his hand-carved items and got the golden bucket. In the next village, he exchanged the golden bucket for an elephant loaded with silver. Then he bartered again and received an elephant carrying sacks of gold coins. Unable to carry them all, he hid the treasure under a sacred tree and moved on. In another land, he received cowhides. He shaped them into a fake cow and placed it in a rich man's field. The man, seeing the cow, hurled a spear at it. The clever boy arrived, crying, "You've killed my cow!" Startled, the man paid him 5,000 coins to hush the matter. He tricked a greedy king into believing a goat could produce heat on command. Impressed, the king bought it for 10,000 coins. He traveled to another kingdom with a buffalo. That night, he fed the buffalo and placed gold coins behind it. The next morning, he claimed, "My buffalo drops gold at night." The king bought it for 50,000. Floating on a small raft, he met a woman of dazzling beauty, just as he dreamed. They fell in love and married as they sailed downriver. They entered a kingdom where a wicked king challenged others to pour out their wealth in a giant barn. With only a golden ring, the young man requested help and summoned his hidden treasure. Sack after sack arrived until the barn overflowed. The greedy king abdicated. The clever young man was crowned king. He built grand palaces and called artisans from every land. News of his fortune spread far and wide. Hearing the news, the two elder brothers came, afraid of punishment. But the king welcomed them. He gave them gold to fulfill their simple dreams. They wasted it and returned, ashamed. Still the king forgave them again and gave them honest work in his kingdom. Thus the youngest brother, mocked for his golden dreams, became a king not through power but wit and kindness. And they all lived happily ever after.
Say phung xuống in sự lắng đã tung